Good, good morning, boys and girls. Nice to meet you. Всем привет, привет. Ставьте лайки, подписывайтесь на канал. Сегодня мы решим вариантик по GCSE AQA Table. Выбираем Георгий Владимирович и я, Алекс Сергеевич, с вами на канале.
Здравствуйте.
И Past Papers, да, все 2022 года, да, non-calculator, все как вы любите. Ну что, погнали? Задание 1. Не забывайте, ставьте лайки, жмите колокольчик или не жмите, как вам придется. Жизнь вообще, короче, будет такая. Так, circle the length of time between 4 p.m. and 5:05 p.m. So, what is the length of a time span? Or as of any span, we should subtract the starting point from the ending point. So 5:05 minus 4 p.m. is how much? Georgy Vladimirovich, how many minutes have passed?
It is 1 hour 5 minutes or
Yes,
65 minutes.
exactly 65 minutes, and we get our first point. Congratulations, we got it.
Oh, that's nice.
65 minutes.
Passed it in my book. So
Yeah. Okay, we have a great thank you to Georgy Vladimirovich. We have a mirror board, and this mirror board will show us and you how we go to our goal to cracking the exam.
so it is our answer 55. Oh no, I'm sorry.
Oh,
Не знаю, на каком
yeah,
языке мы разговариваем. Мы на русском, мы
it's
на русском.
also strategy. We can switch both. Да, 65, да. Популярная стратегия всегда выбирай Б. Она сработала и в этом варианте. Да, 65 минут. 65 minutes. So, a circle number 2. Circle has diameter 10 centimeters. Okay, how much will be the radius of diameter 10 centimeters?
Это вопрос мне?
Yes, do you see anyone else? Люди, помогайте, ставьте комментарии.
Okay, so diameter is 2 times bigger than radius, so radius is 5 centimeters.
5 centimeters radius, yeah, 2 times 5 is 10 centimeters diameter. Diameter is a chord which goes through the center of the circle, of course, and we correct the second one. Congrats. Number 3, the percentage that is between 1 second and 3/4. How many percent between? So we should, what should we do? What? We should make it percentage. 1/2 is how many percent?
50%.
50% and 3/4 is?
75%.
Yes, so the difference is?
Difference is 25%.
Yeah, so called the percentage that is between. Yeah, so what number is between these two numbers?
Oh, it is between is 16%.
Yeah, always only one will fit. 40 is less, 80 and 90 is much more. So only one goes within this span, within this length. Number 4.
Okay.
3 squared plus 4 squared. Oh, Egypt triangle. 3 квадрат плюс 4 квадрат. Каждый посчитать будет рад. Three squared and 4 squared, how we can do it?
It is so easy. It is 16 plus 25, 16 plus 9, it is going to be 25.
Yeah, kids, you should know that 3 squared plus 4 squared equals to 5 squared. That will help you on geometry tasks. Okay, 25, number 5. Simplify fully. We get the 2 marks for this. Simplify fully means make it as simple as possible. So, because there are 2 things to simplify. We have 2 times A, we have 2 indications of A and 2 of B. So What should we group it? 8a plus 6a and 5b minus 2b. So we get how much?
It is 14a.
14a, exactly, and 3b or not 3b, that is the question, and that is fully, you got only 1 mark if you only certify a or only certify or simplify b, and you get the full point only for answer like that. Of course, you can make it 3b plus 14a, but why should you do so? Plus 14b. Okay, thank you. Number 6. 200 students were each asked about the monthly cost of their phone contract. Oh my goodness.
Are you scared?
Yes, I'm really scared. So, the phone contract is not so not so expensive today, but it really scares me. Maybe they can make us a discount. Okay, 200 students. And so the first question, how many more school students than college students? So we should find the difference between school and college students. And first of all, we should find out how many school students are there and how many college students are there, yeah? So how many school students were asked?
School students is 40 plus 90. So
Exactly. We see the row, which is school students, so we should add up both these numbers. And college students is 32 plus 38, which is...
It's a difficult question.
Yeah, or we can subtract 130 from 200, because the numbers should add up. And now the difference is the third, yes. Difference is 60 students more were asked, because maybe college students don't really count their money.
But it's only the first question. I have a second question here.
Yeah, for sure. For 4 points for the full and 2 points we got for 60, for almost 60. What percentage of 200 students has a monthly cost less than 25? Yeah, monthly cost less 25. What is the total number of monthly cost less than 25? Let's see the table. $40 plus 42 is how much?
Okay, it is less than 25. So
yeah,
it's gonna be 40 plus 32, 72. So
72 out of 200, yeah.
Yes, we have
and
to take 72 divided by 200
and multiply by 100%. Or we can make it easier, because we see that 200 is just twice more than 100. So
like we can divide 200 to 100 and we get 1%. It's gonna be 2.
Yeah,
It's 1%.
2 is 1%, and we have 72. So 72 divided by 2 is number of percent.
Anyway, we get 36%.
36% exactly. So 64% pay more than 25. What it was, pound? Oh, that was not cheap. Please make school students at least a discount. They really need to connect to their friends and relatives and buddies and whoever. So, okay, but we got the right answer and we got the full 4 points. Number 7. Only animals on the farm are 30 cows and 80 sheep. 110 animals at a farm. And we are merchants. We sell cows, we sell sheep. Oh goodness. I hope we sell them to good people, for sure. So 1/5 of the 30 cows and 1/8 of 80 sheep are sold. Let's count how many animals were sold.
have to divide 30 to 5. And we get,
Yeah, but make it more, yeah, divide by 5 or multiplied by 1/5, because that's the same from the arithmetical standpoint. So 6 cows was sold, and 80 times 5/8 or 80 multiplied by 8/5, that's the same is
so now it's easier, like to, I suppose, to, it's not divisible by 6, so we multiply to 5, no? So,
yeah, but
oh, it's 8. I'm wrong. It is
18.
not 6, it's 8. So divide by 8 is 10. 10 times 5 is 15.
That's the point. You always check what have you written. Maybe you have made the wrong writing, and then why will you suffer for that? Boys, girls, others, whoever, please double check always. Always double check always, check always, double check. Thank you. And now we add them up to see how many total numbers are sold. 56, or I think it's slightly more than a half. A half will be 55. Yeah, 56 animals were sold. We are just left with 54. So we can check ourselves multiple ways. So, okay, 56 animals were sold. And what's next? We sold animals and we go to the 8th. Some gamers were asked which type of video game they preferred. 65% said action and 90% said role play. The others, I think, vote for the old good Minesweeper or what? Some card games. What do you think? Okay.
I didn't read the question yet, so.
The rest said sport. Oh my goodness.
Video games, they prefer
No,
action, role play.
video.
I got it.
Please. Now summer, come out and get some sports outdoors, and we do math game. So what percentage said sports? How can we do it? We need to subtract what we know from how many percent are in total. It's always 100%. So 100% minus 65% minus 19%. We can make percent out of the brackets to simplify our calculations. And it doesn't really matter, so.
So it's gonna be 84, so it is gonna be 16%.
Yes, 16% vote for sports. Please make some sports. You should be healthy as you can, and whenever you preserve health, you will be better at your exams, and it will be easier for you to pass through. 9 has also 2 points. 9A, 9B. Diagonal of rectangle is drawn on a centimeter grid. Sides of the rectangle are on the grid lines. Size. Diagonal of rectangle is on a centimeter grid. Size of rectangle. Centimeter grid. Sides on the grid lines. Yeah, we can do it. We can make the rectangle for us to be easier. And we see that it's the same as we've done. So that is a hypotenuse, actually, of a right angle triangle, 3 and 4. If we wanted to see it, we can calculate the hypotenuse itself from the Pythagorean theorem. But we see that it's 3 h and 4.
So it's each triangle, so a hypotenuse is gonna be 5.
Yeah, but we don't ask for that. We are asked, first of all, area of the rectangle. That's obviously 3 multiplied by 4. 3 centimeters by 4 centimeters. It's why do you divide by 2?
I thought about triangle, but it's rectangle.
Yeah, sure. Rectangle. You made a rectangle whole. So 3 multiplied by 4 And of course, if we were asked for rectangle, and that's why we have a formula for the right angle triangle, it's always half of a rectangle. That's very easy and very good. And it also corresponds to the formula half AB sinus, sinus of the angle between these sides, because the angle is 90 degrees and its sinus is 1. So 12 square centimeters, and we check ourselves, because we multiplied centimeters by centimeters, we get square centimeters. Yeah, it was A, and we got 2 points for that. 2 additional marks, we go for what? One side is drawn on the centimeter grid. It doesn't have any right angles. Complete with parallelograms so that it has the area 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 38. Yeah. Yeah, centimeter grid means that. Why is that? Should we do like that? Okay, doesn't have any right angles. That's very important. So if you are trying to make here a rectangular, you will be punished for that. You won't get your points. But the interesting thing is that you just make it, for example, like that. You get your marks.
We know the area of parallelogram, it is height times A. If you have a base side is A, so we have to multiply height by A, so it's going to be, we have a base like 6, yes? So
yes.
we have to put here our numbers, so it's going to be 6, and we know that area is 24, so 24 equals height times 6. It means
H will be S divided by A in the without using the numbers, because S is A times H, so H is S divided by A, or 24 divided by 6, exactly 4.
So we draw a parallelogram with a side where its height is 4. So that's why we do it.
Yeah, and for this you can get additional 2 marks. And we have also part C. 2 sides of a rhombus are drawn on this grid. 2 sides of the rhombus. So what is the rhombus famous for? Rhombus is famous that all its sides are equal, exactly. All sides of the rhombus are of the same size. That's why I called sized. I was just joking, sorry. So yeah, we can use this quantities, but also we can think that the diagonals of the rhombus intersect and make it through the right angle. So we could first make the diagonal, then the other half diagonal, make it the full, and connect the points. Of course, we do that, and we got only 1 mark because it's basic difficulty task. I think we'll do something more after we make it the rhombus. No, we just make it the rhombus. Okay. Thank you. Number 10, the calculations. Yeah, we don't get, something was hidden. Okay, 428 times 3 equals to 12,840. Use the calculations to help to divide it. Okay, so we have multiplication of the first multiple and the second multiple to get the product. How can we get one of them from the product? Yeah, we should divide the product by the other multiple. Yeah.
Okay, so I use the calculator, take 12,840 30 divides my height 428. So I get answer 30.
We don't need the calculator because you have it with calculation, yeah? So if 428 by 30 is 12,840, then 12,840 divided by 420 will be our multiple for 30. That's the magic of this. And remember that we have a calculator page.
I misunderstood the question. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
How can I help?
Huh?
Okay. Yeah, great. Circle the answer to 214 times 30. How we relate to 114 and 824. Should be attentive. 214 is just 1/2 of 428, yeah?
Mm.
So what is the 30 times?
Times less.
Yeah, 12, it's just a half of that, half of 12,000. That will be exactly 6,420. Please circle it in full, not only just underline, but circle, make it circle. Can you hear me? Please circle it, make a circle under it.
It won't be marked as right answer.
I hope it will be marked, but we asked about circle, so if we are not aware of what a circle is, that's bad news for us.
Proper students will do
Yeah,
it
we should.
proper way.
Yeah, please be attentive what you are asked for. That will be very important in your future job or your future business or your future, whatever you will do in future. You should be attentive. Inattentiveness is a sin. Okay, number 11, shop sells notebooks and pencils. Notebooks and pencils. So he buys some packs of notebooks. Each notebook is for 12 pounds. Oh my goodness. Please come to Russia. You will get them for discount. Okay. So some packs of notebooks is 60 pounds. And the pack of 8 is 12. How many notebooks will he buy if he pays 60 pounds? Should divide 60 by 12 and multiply it by 8, yeah? So he has 5 packs of 8 and 5 packs of 8. Make it 4 tens or 40 notebooks. I hope here is a very diligent student, Marek. Please write down everything that the teacher says and you will get all your notebooks filled by your ink. Okay, that was what? That was 2 marks. Oh, 2 marks for that, not bad.
I don't know.
But we shouldn't. Yeah, make it 40.
Or not necessary.
No, not necessary, only numbers. We are not asked about anything else. Only numbers.
So we have a part B about pencils.
Yes, for sure. Cheapest cost of 10 pencils. We have 2 options for pencils. We can make it pack 6 for 270. What will be one for if 270 divided by 6? Or 90 divided by 2, 45 pence each. So, and 10 pencils, we should think about how can we do. Of course, we can make 10 just by one, but we should use the discount as much as possible. We divide 10 by 6 and get that we have one full pack of 6. And then we have to buy 4 one by one, of course. But also there could be option that we buy 2 packs, but this won't work in here because 56 times 4 will be less than another pack for sure. But pack of 5, pack of 5 will be okay. So 1 pack for 270 plus 4 times 56, yeah? 270 plus 4 times 56.
270 times 2 is 524.
Yeah, that will be too much. That won't be the cheapest.
But it would be cheapest.
No.
Why?
70 plus.
Times 10 is going to be 5.6.
Yeah, but you can buy one pack of and 4 pencils. So 270 plus 4 times 53.
My God, you're the best. So
Yes. Yes, that's me. Ha, thank you. Thank you. I'm not the best, I'm just the most coy, the most shy, and the most humble, the humblest, maybe.
so
Almost the humble.
and
Oh, yeah. 224 plus 270 equals less than 5 pounds. Guys, you should call this shop now. You will save 6 pence for you to what? To make a deposit for your future retirement, maybe. Okay, 494 is the cost for the cheapest cost of 10 pencils. Yeah, they won't make you such a trap that to make you 11 pencils, because 11 pencils you should buy 2 caps, and 2 will be even less. Will cost less.
I have to talk to you about my pension deposits.
Oh, you will say, you beware of our Georgi. He will grab your 6 and take away for his pension and retirement benefits. You should be attentive with him. I told you that inattentiveness is the sin. Here we are. Okay, 11C. With attentive, and Georgi Vladimirovich shop also sells folders. Buy 3 folders, given one for half price. How much will be it? Okay, I'm greedy. I want 4 folders because I'm of course attracted by these discounts. My goodness, Mom, Dad, where's my money? Where's my money? My money. I want to buy 4 folders. I'm a diligent schoolboy, a schoolgirl, so buy 4 folders. I don't pay the full price, yeah? I just pay full price of 3, and for the 4th I pay half. So I pay 3.5 of prices, yeah? So 3.5 times 3.2.
3.2 times 3.
0.5.
No, like it's more.
You want to make it into, okay, 3 times 3, so yeah, it can be easy. So 9.6 you pay for the whole 3 without a discount. And the next one, the 4th, will be bought for half price. So 9.6 plus 1.6 will be 11.2. Are you prepared for the school? By the way, you know, it's July or so 1st September, whatever knowledge day. Please go to the shops and buy ahead all your stuff. Otherwise, you will ask your roommate or whoever for your pencils and folders, and not good. Bad. Okay. 11.2, and remember we have already spent 494 for pencils, so we are already running out of money, maybe. Okay, 4 folders. 12A, ABC by paths. Length of each path is shown. ABC. Oh. Nathan and switch from A to B. Nathan goes AB. And Sue goes ACB. What are we asked for? What's the question? Please go scroll down a little bit. How much does Sue work for other than Nathan? Yeah, the question was obvious. They wanted us to see the difference, most probably, and they did it. So make it AB. AB is how much? They even AB is 2.1, yeah?
I will write it here. 2.1.
Yeah, you should make supplementary calculations
So
on it.
Q walks along the path A towards C. So A towards C is 1.9. From
Yeah,
C to D it's 0.8. So
yeah, we're going meters to kilometers because we are asked in kilometers. We should make it all in one. And we know that kilometer is 1,000 meters, so 2.7 total. So to see how much does she walk more than 8, and we subtract 2.1 from 2.7 and get happy.
okay. So it was a question. So answer should be
1 is 0.6, yeah?
kilometers.
Have you written the question, the answer?
If you're answering kilometers, so answer would be 2.7 kilometers.
No, you asked how much farther does she walk? 277 minus 2.1.
God, I had a wrong answer.
Yeah, yes.
So it's going
Quick boy. Don't hurry up. See what is asked, see what's asked, because otherwise we won't be using all the information. We don't always need it, but see, we need how many more she was than he was, or whatever. So the difference was 0.6 kilometers or 600 meters, but we are asking kilometers, that's 0.6. Okay, 3 marks for that, thank God. 12B.
Help me to save my marks.
What?
Thank you that you helped me to save marks.
Yes, please call me and get help to save your marks, to save you from another year in school. Mom will be happy that you spend another year in school, yeah?
Yes,
She has to pay for that after all.
Okay, 12B. A straight path between D and E passes through P. D is 200 meters, P is 60 meters closer to E than D. Wow. I have to clarify what is here.
Yeah, so what are we asked? We are asked, so some will be X and another will be another thing. So if 60 closer, we should make X the one thing that is shorter. So PE will be, yeah, P is closer to E, then P will be shorter. So let's denote PE as X, yeah? PE as X. So that's as X. So then we have here X plus 60, yeah? Because if PE was closer, X plus 60, oh my, sorry for my quality. Yeah, X plus 60. Okay, make it X plus 60. So we know that X plus 60 is 200, yeah?
It looks like a system of equations. So we can...
Yeah, just a small system of equations, but we couldn't make it from one. Yeah, so if it was X, then another one X plus 60, then X plus 60 equals to 200. Let's make it as simple as possible, yeah?
I did it downstairs, you can see. Downstairs.
Yeah, I also like your way, but I hope my way was easier. What you like is what you prefer. So yeah, PD will be 130, and then PE will be how many? How many meters?
Oh, so
PE will be 70.
it's closer to 6 if we like take off this 60, so it's going to be 70.
Yeah. And we are asked the ratio. So 130 divided by, so 130 to 70, we should simplify it. No, we are not asking about difference. We asked about the ratio. So we are not. Okay, okay, yes. Yes. So 130 divided by 70, simplify it.
PD is 130 divided by 70. We have to like cut the zeros.
Yes.
13.
So 13 divided by 7, or the same division is the answer. So as the fraction, as the ratio. Ratio is obviously the fraction. 13 to 7, check, double check always what is the length. The dp is the length for one. We know it's the 130, and we recall that pe was less because p was closer to e. So that's not 7 to 30, that's 13 to 7. Exactly, and we get our marks for that. 14, Emma tries to simplify. God help Emma. CD times 2. What is her method? Her method is smart, I hope so. C times 2 is 2C, D times 2 is 2D. 2C times 2D equals to 4CD. Yeah. 2C times 2D. Yeah, what's wrong with her method? She was right about the calculation, but she forgot that she has only C D times 2, not C and T. So she was incorrect to make it all the way wrong. She only needed to make 2 before that. 2 was to be multiplied by the whole CD. Yeah, so she was 2 times more, but the actual answer. Надо так, дети. So it was 2CD. Yeah, where is C? Yeah, CD times 2 equals to 2 times CD, because of the rearranging. We can use the rearranging way. От перемены мест множителей произведение не меняется, yeah? However you put the multipliers, the product will be the same.
Well,
2 times CD equals to CD times 2. Please don't calculate like Emma, unless you are Emma Watson, of course. But she won't do that mistake after all. So 1 mark to get that. Obviously, what was just the start. What was the second? Work out 0.37 times 0.26. Okay. And recall that these 2 fractions, but you won't need to use fractions. Make it first ordinary fractions, so 3700 times 20 37 times 26, and then divided by 10,000, which is product of 200 times 100 in the denominator. 37 times 26, make it in rows. 37 times 6 and 37 times 2. Yeah, Georgi Vladimirovich likes this to that way. We can also do 27 times 7, or 26 times 7, 26 times 3, but it's like his way. 37 times 6, and the cool thing, 37 is 1/3 of 111, or 1/6 of 222. So 37 times 6 is 222, and 37 times 2 is 74. So it will be 962 for that. God save the Queen.
I'm sorry,
Oh, sorry.
I do it maybe in different way, and maybe I didn't notice that you did. I'm sorry.
Yeah, 962 divided by 10,000, and from that we get back to the decimals, and correctly we have 4 points after the commas. So 0962, exactly 4 points. 0962, 10,000. Yeah, that's the answer. And we think about the order. Yeah, the order should be like that. Something like 1/3 and something like 1/4. It's something like 1/10. Yeah.
Okay, nice job.
62. Yeah. 15a. So 11x minus 3 equals to 6x plus 1. How can one can do that? God, that's x. X is coming for you. For you and you youth. So 11x minus 3 equals to 6x plus 1, and we want to send all the x's to the left side because 11 is more than 6 to the left side, and all the numbers about x to the right side. The different, it was not 4, it was 3. Sorry for that.
Oh.
Yeah. You had already calculated, and then so 11x minus 6 is we group and factorize and make it simple, but that's 5x, and 1 plus 3 is 4, so it's x divided by 4 divided by 5, it's 4/5, so 0.8055 is 8/8, or in decimals 0.8. Your answer will be almost always in decimals. Get ready for the calculator paper coming soon. Please don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe to our channel, see our stories, shorts, and do more maths, and beware of dog. Oh, wow.
My God, what we have to do here, Alek?
Oh, 2x divided by 5 equals to 4. So we wanted to do something by 5 and get 14. 1/5 of something is 14. We divided something by 5 parts, and 1/5 is 14. We have 5 parts of 14. So 2x is 14 multiplied by 5. Any questions in chat? 14 multiplied by 5. Yes, exactly 70. So 2x is 70, then x is 70 divided by 2 is 35. 35 is the age of great poet Dante. So the answer is study poetry, study maths, and make 35 in here. 15b. We finished.
We did it already.
Yes, just one. Magnified by the poetry. Sorry. Bag A and bag B. Yes. Bag A, 28 red discs. Bag B, 20 green discs. 3 for 5, twice as many. Total number of discs. Total number of discs is 28 plus 20. Yeah.
So 28 plus.
Oh, no. That was for me exactly, that was the trap. 28 red. So red is twice more as green. So how many green are? Yeah, 28 red. And so red are twice more. That means that we have 14 green in the first bag, in the bag A. 14 green and twice more red, that's 28 red. 28 plus 14, yeah, plus 14, plus 20 green in bag B, and for each 3 red is 5 green. That means we have 12 reds, yeah, plus 12. So 42 in the first one, 32 in the second one, 74 bags in total, yeah? Or 74 bags, 74 discs in 2 bags. Don't forget to double check. You see, I was trapped also. Not good, not good. 74 discs. I hope it's good old C discs. I'm correct. Okay, it was just 17A and 17B. C is empty bag. Why should you need empty bag? 20 green from B to C, 1 random for each bag. Okay, probability 28. Oh, 28 red from A to C, 20 green from B to C. B to C, yeah. So C will be 48, yeah? "28 red discs from B." So what are the steps? Probability of red from A. After we put it, that's a tricky one. All the red discs from A went to C. So the probability of red from A is 0 because there is no one red in the A, yeah? So the first is probability of red from A is 0. You agree?
I didn't read it yet. Just I started to read right now and try to understand the question. Oh, one disk is now picked in random from each bag. 20 a different bag C is empty. The 28 red discs from A are put into C. The 20 green discs from B are put into C. One disk is now picked in random from each bag. It's the statement. Wow, it's great. We have to work here. So like bag A, bag B, and bag C.
Yeah.
We can right now understand that in C it's 28 red discs.
Yeah, from A.
And there is 20 green discs. Right?
Yeah.
So probability of red from C. So probability is interested our something that is interested ours divided to all points. All.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be
8 divided by 48, 7 12s. 7 12s. It is. I can think we don't need the percentage. It's 7 12ths because it's the shortest point. So yeah, make it a fraction, not a, so 7 12ths. Yeah, and probability of red from A is 0. We don't have any A more in A. All A will go back to C. So the first number will be 0, yeah?
yes.
And the second number will be 1 because all red are just there in C. Whatever out of the 12 reds, all of them, you get the chance of each. The chance is 100%. So it's 1 and 7 12ths from C.
Great.
So
Wonderful.
Yeah.
17 number. It's only 1 mark. So it's going to be some easy question. What is 120 as a decimal? Wow.
Yeah. 120 is 500ths. So make it a fraction, and 500ths is a decimal. Like how we do it? I think it's
so it is 500ths.
Yeah, or 0.05. Exactly. And we get this mark just by smile. Divide 62 into ratio 3 to 7. 3 to 7 is total 8, total 10, yeah, 62. So for each 3, you get 7. So 3, 7, 3, 7, 3, 7, 3, 7. So 60, for example, will be 3 times 6 divided by 7 by 6, so 18 to 42. But you have 62. So 3 to 7 means you divide by 10, and 3 portions get to the left, and 7 portions get to the right, yeah? 3 portions to the numerator and 7 portions to the denominator. So 6.2 multiplied by 3 equals to 18.6, and 6.2 multiplied by 7, I'm sorry, equals to 43 times 4. Yeah, and it's the same as 62 minus 18.6. So 18 times 6 divide and 43 times 0.4. 18.6 and 43.4 is a division of 62 in the ratio 3:7. Oh, the motor guy, I hate you. Please be quiet. Please take care of us. In good sense. N is an odd number. Y is n times n plus 1, and an even number always. N, it is always an even number because it's n plus 1 is an even number. And we'll multiply odd number by an even number, you always get an even number, yeah? Because even times odd gives you an even.
Is it full answer or we have to do something more, no?
You should, yeah, only indicate that n plus 1 is even. And then, yeah, you refer to the fact you have written. N plus 1 even. It's not equals to even. It is even. Yeah, but is even. Yeah, you can write that. So 20, information about time spent on social media by 40 women. You know, women are socially active persons, and men are sometimes also socially active. Let's see what is it right or not. It's just a prerequisite in our mind. Maybe something very strange. So, someone was very active in social media, you see. No one actually from out of them spent less than 2 hours. Please be, and at least 2 hours a week is rare. So 12 and 10, between 2 and 5, 11 and 17 between 5 and 8, 14 and 9 between 8 and 11, 12, 2 and 4 between 11 and 4, and only one woman was very, very socially, medially active. So what are the statements? Please scroll down. What are the statements? 3 of the women spent more than 11 hours on social media. Let's check. Get back to the table, please. 3, yeah, there are 3 women, one from 11 to 14 and another from 14 to 17. So in total 3 women, yeah, spent more than 11 hours. Definitely more. So the first statement is definitely true, yeah?
Oh.
Take it.
Sorry? What should I write?
Definitely true for the first one. So the first box is tick. Tick the first box. Because you see that 3 women, yeah, you can.
Sorry, just a mistake of.
That when you heard about the women in social media, you are just become anxious, yeah? They can write to you or to us or to the maths, why are there? Yeah. Okay, the range for the man is 50 hours. Is it true? It's not true. The last one, yeah? The range for men is 14 hours. Oh, not 14. From 2, all the men were from 2 to 14. 14 minus 2 is 12. So not true about the men.
So not true. Last one.
Yeah, and the last one, no, stop. Have you reject? High median. A median is the most often from 40 is 20th. So the 20th women actually is over here. She is somewhere between 5 and 8, yeah? Because 12 women are less than 5, less than equal to 5, and 23, 12 plus 11 women are from 2 to 8, excluding 2. So the median for women is in the second row, and the median for men is in the third row, because the 20th man is from 8 to 11. So women have a higher median than the men is not true. The men have a less median. So that's, yeah, that was, you were right. That's also not true. So again, last box tick. I know that for sure. The women has a less median, whatever will be, because if they were in one row, that will be impossible to know. But here we are sure that the men's median. Oh, how come you do so ugly? Please don't go here. I really hate you. Sorry. Well, okay.